2007 Nissan Pathfinder, flat repair, and check the balance on the tires, getting a vibration while going down the highway. Well, gee, that looks a little wiggly. Let's take a look from underneath. Oh, yeah, yep, that's definitely not a tire. That is a tie rod end about let loose. Let's take a stroll down shipbox lane, go to the back. Look at that, a little bit of wiggle on that too. Well, let's go under and see. Okay, yep. And let's give her a little shake. Oh, yep. Definitely not a tire issue. Cute. Advise customer not to take any corners and not go above 25 until they get it fixed.